Oh no!
Hey tech lovers! Ever wished you had a tiny interactive robot companion that reacts to your touch, plays mini games, and even throws a little tantrum when it's upset? Well, meet Eilik, a robot pet with a big personality. But is it worth the price? Stick around because we're diving deep into the unboxing, features, pros, and cons, and my honest, final verdict. Alright, let's open this up. Eilik comes in a sleek, compact box, and inside, we get the Eilik robot itself, which is super cute, small, and lightweight. There's also a USB-C charging cable, because let's be honest, old-school micro USB is so last decade. But the real magic happens when you turn it on. This little guy isn't just a cute decoration, it's fully interactive. The moment you power it up, it comes to life with an expressive face and tons of emotions. Eilik is touch responsive, meaning you can tap its head, belly, or back, and it will react differently. You can even lift it or pat its head, and it'll respond with a range of adorable expressions. If you love mini games, you're in for a treat. Eilik plays fun little games like left or right, where you gently tap its hands to interact, a shooting game, where a tap on the head lets you attack monsters, and even a fishing game, where you twist its body according to the screen instructions.
Sometimes he will get in trouble. Eilik is growing. You can connect him to your Mac or PC to unlock more content. Eilik wants to be helpful. He can set a countdown timer to help you track with your work. And he loves to play games with you.
But here's where things get even more interesting. If you have more than one Eilik, they will actually chat, play, and even argue with each other. Watching them interact is hilarious. And if you have a group of them, they even throw little party celebrations. Plus, the fun doesn't stop there. Eilik is constantly upgrading, with frequent firmware updates adding new emotions, functions, and games. So you'll never get bored. And let's not forget about some extra cool functions. It also works as a Pomodoro timer, helping you stay productive. It can dance to the beat of your favorite music, and even has holiday-themed performances for special occasions. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Eilik is incredibly cute, expressive, and engaging. It's great for kids and tech lovers who enjoy quirky, interactive gadgets. The mini-games and group play features make it even more fun. And since the robot gets regular firmware updates, it keeps evolving with new content. It's also small enough to fit on your desk without taking up too much space. But, of course, there are some downsides. Eilik doesn't have AI or voice interaction, so don't expect it to respond to voice commands like Alexa or Siri. It can also be loud and bright, though thankfully, there's a setting to adjust both. At $140, it's a bit on the pricey side for a desk toy, and with only a 90-minute battery life, you'll need to recharge it fairly often. So, should you get Eilik? If you love quirky, interactive gadgets, want a fun desk companion, or have kids who enjoy smart toys, Eilik is a fantastic pick. But if you're looking for an AI-powered, voice-interacting robot, you might want to check out alternatives like Moxie. Overall, I'd rate Eilik a solid 4 out of 5. It's a ton of fun, but just know what you're getting. What do you think? Would you buy an Eilik for yourself or as a gift? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.